This milestone becomes even more memorable, even more special. We're witnessing the live feed of the Honorable Minister, Shri Nara Lokesh Garu, joining us. In a few minutes, of course, they'll be joining us on stage. But before that, we have a segment where he has a walkthrough of the plan for the plant itself. We're going to be witnessing those very visuals here on stage. For all of our guests who are in the event space, if we may kindly request you to switch your phones to silent mode as we begin. This is an event of great significance, of many special moments waiting to unfold here. If we may kindly request your complete attention and participation, and of course the first step to that would be to switch your phones to silent mode. Of course, visuals coming in of not just deep love but also reverence for the Honorable Minister. In fact, someone who we all know as a champion of innovation, someone whose leadership has driven the state in terms of our global ambition, in terms of becoming one of the most dynamic states in the country. And yet another step of that journey, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be the groundbreaking ceremony here at Carrier. Shortly, we begin our on-stage proceedings. But before we officially do that, we have an interesting walkthrough that the Honorable Minister will be taking. We have our global leadership team welcoming the Honorable Minister to this wonderful, momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, when we hear Carrier, of course, in India, it is a long-standing association. And today, that very association goes a little further with yet another wonderful feather in our cap. For over 4 decades in the heart of India, Carrier, of course, has not only made a name for itself as one of the most prominent cooling infrastructure, but also have made that niche